The Ice Age ended 11,000 years ago. Or did it? In this tiny secluded area of southern Indiana, the remnants still remain. This is Hemlock Cliffs. Its 150-foot sandstone walls trap cool, damp air to create a unique microclimate, a pocket of boreal forest you'd usually only find further north. It essentially functions as Indiana's very own temperate rainforest. Here you'll find rare flora, new waterfalls, giant boulders, and even enormous rock outcroppings as shelter by Native Americans 10,000 years ago. The cliffs are waiting. We'll take a walk through this historic time capsule.